In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change object color on CapCut. By the end, you'll be able to shift the color of objects across your clip using CapCut's HSL controls, all without complicated masking or advanced effects. First, open CapCut and head into your editing workspace. If you already have a project, you can continue there. Otherwise, create a new one, so you're starting fresh and focused on the clip you want to edit. Next, add your video to the timeline. Import the footage, and make sure it sits on the main track so you can see it clearly in the preview. Click once on the clip to ensure it's selected. CapCut's adjustments apply to whatever clip is active, so this helps avoid editing the wrong layer. Now, click Adjust. This panel is where you'll find the core color tools for fine-tuning your image. It's designed for global adjustments, meaning any change you make here affects the entire selected clip. From the Adjust panel, click HSL. HSL stands for Hue, Saturation, and Luminance. Hue shifts a color to a different color, saturation controls how intense that color appears, and luminance adjusts the brightness of that color range. You'll see color ranges like red, orange, yellow, green, cyan, blue, and more. Each range targets only the pixels in your clip that match that color. Choose the red color range to see this in action. When you adjust the hue slider under red, every red element in your video will shift to a new hue. Red can become pink, purple, or even teal, depending on how far you drag it. Use saturation to decide how vivid those red areas should feel, and luminance to make them lighter or darker. Small, precise movements usually work best and help you keep the image natural. You can repeat that process for other colors as needed. If you're working with foliage, try the green range. For skies or water, experiment with cyan or blue. If the change affects more than you intended, ease back the sliders or switch to a neighboring color range to balance things out. Keep an eye on skin tones and neutral areas. Sometimes the orange or yellow ranges can influence them, so adjust gently to keep people looking natural. Preview your results by playing back the clip and pausing on keyframes. If something looks off, nudge the hue a bit, or reduce saturation for a subtler look. That's the power of HSL. Quick, targeted color shifts that stay consistent across the entire clip. And that's it. Open CapCut, add your video, go to Adjust, click HSL, tweak one color like red, and then explore the other ranges for a cohesive color change.